In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Trello Premium in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving to a different tool or simply trying to cut down on expenses, cancelling your Trello Premium account is a straightforward process. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. Trello makes it easy by allowing you to sign in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack accounts. If you prefer, you can also just enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the usual Trello interface we all know and love. Look over to the upper right corner of the page. There, you'll notice the login button. Go ahead and click it if you haven't logged in already. Now that you're in, let's move on to the next steps to manage your account settings. You'll need to expand the sidebar on the left hand side. This will give you access to various options, but for our purpose today we want to select Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, locate the Billing section. This is where you'll find details about your Trello Premium subscription. Scroll down to the bottom of the billing page. Here you'll find the Cancel button, which is your key to unsubscribing from Trello Premium. Don't hesitate, just click on that and you'll start the cancellation process. After confirming your choice, your workspace plan will still be active until the end of its billing period. Once that period concludes, your workspace will convert into a free one. This means you'll still have access to Trello but without the premium features. It's worth noting that any changes or cancellations to your workspace plan can only be managed through the web version of Trello. So make sure you're not using a mobile app for this step. The web version allows you to have full control of your account settings and subscription preferences, and there you have it. Cancelling Trello Premium is as easy as following these simple steps. Remember, while you'll lose those premium features, you'll still keep your boards and cards intact within the free plan. This allows you to maintain your productivity without paying those extra bucks. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now confidently managing your Trello subscriptions. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Have a great day.